Hey, can you give me a PNG of a microwave?
Give me less than a minute.
You actually just... Alright,
Like-
alright.
Alternatively, we have it at an angle.
I don't think that. Thank you.
Uh-oh.
Alternatively, we
Uh-oh.
also have one where the door is open.
Okay, Matthew, it's alright. It's alright, Matthew. I'll use the first one, Matthew.
How
Instantly.
about microwave?
God.
The door is open all the way.
Oh! I cannot believe this turn of events!
Liar.
No.
Come on, land one
Hey, look.
punch.
Hey, look, it's closing again.
Matthew. Matthew! Why is it changing colors?
Don't question it. Oh no, wait! I realized I didn't put my food in.
I swear to God!
I gotta open it back up. Now I'm going to put my food in it. Close the microwave.
No! Matthew, I get it, okay, I get it.
Now I'm going to rotate it and
Why?
turn it to go.
But nothing's in it!
Oh shit! So well, there's no food in it. I guess.
No! 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 Matthew! Matthew!
Oh my god! And now that is open again. We're gonna put some food.
Yeah, okay. Okay, Matt. Don't get rid of it this time.
Okay.
What you making?
Yeah, I don't know what that is actually.
Is it over?
No.
No!
So, so now. Oh, so now.
No!
I pressed the button and it's going now.
Okay,
And now it's
alright.
at an angle to where you can't tell if there's food in it or not.
I mean, yeah, sure. Nice background, by the way.
Shush. Ooh, and now look, it's done. We have a nice dinner meal.
That's not the same! That's not the same thing, Matthew! And you know it!